On the 23rd. So.
Okay. USF? Or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So, are you the owner and you live on top?
Yes, that's right.
And you have a family or?
Yeah.
This is the master. I really like this one. It's on 44th and Balboa. Kind of far, but it's super nice. $25.50, 2 bedrooms. This would be Carly's room. It's a lot smaller, but it's cute. I really like it. Got a little view of the backyard. Kitchen.
So there could be one coastline or something.
Walk in. There's our washer and dryer, and then this is the entrance. It goes out to